the kickoff.
A lot of talk before the match about how these two will line up. Let's see what the managers have gone with. They're going with 5 in midfield with a 4-5-1 setup.
This is the selection for the away side. Referee gets this match underway. Ronaldo. Brozovic. Great chance here. He did really well there. Oh, this is good stuff. Played in field. Is Jutkiewicz. He got a good man behind that. It's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant. And I'm not so sure about that one. Let's see how close it was. Defender then back on the ball. Kick. Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there. They've won it back. That's nicely played. The defender regains possession. And now they'll try and break. Oh, determined challenge there. He's onside here. Referee pulls play back for an offside. Oh, that one looked tight. Let's see the replay. Davis. And the referee waves play on, advantage given. Lovren, great defending. Passed well. Lovren, great defending. Ronaldo. Oh, it's a clear chance. Ronaldo! And this really takes the pressure off the defence. I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. Not the best header there. Let's see that again. Forward from the keeper. And he's stayed surely now. And that is a fantastic goal. And we're back underway. Oh, well timed. And it's half time now. This league encounter resumes now as we kick off for the second half. Striker's ball. And he's won it back for his team. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Oh, he did really well there. This team looked eager for more goals. It's looking like that was a real chance. They were lucky not to score. It'll be interesting to see how close that actually was. It looked like it was going in. No cards from the referee today. Keeper sends it long. It's with the defender now. He loves to go past players with the ball.
possession, and it's opened up here. Oh, nice finish there. And he's found the back of the net. What a great goal.
Let's take another look at that. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game. What a well-timed tackle. It's with the striker. And he's stayed onside. And he's one-on-one with the keeper. His teammates swarm him. And rightly so. Great stuff. And here's a great goal. Time for a fresh... Well, it's becoming a bit embarrassing for the opposition here. Yet another goal from this... Oh, we did really well there. Striker's ball. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Free kick then. Well, surely all they can do now is grab a consolation goal. There's not much time left, and it seems all over. Striker's ball. Oh, it's a clear chance. There's literally no stopping him today. He's got his hat-trick. Let's see that again. Tactical change here then. After the other. With this team, the manager will be ecstatic. Passed inside. He showed a bit too much. Quality defending there. The fourth official has indicated 1 minute of stoppage time. Here's the shot, close, but not close enough. It'll be interesting to see how close that actually was. It looked like it was going in. They're winning, but they're still going for more goals. That's the final whistle. Great display of attacking football today.
No doubt in my mind with that decision. This player has been outstanding and deserves being named man of the match.